What's up, everybody? It's MK from Baltimore, Maryland, aka Foam Nation. Shout out to everyone in the Maryland, D.C. area. We're the heart of the Foamposite, the biggest Foamposite area there is. Here with the Foamposite 1 cough drop. It's a very underrated shoe. It is in my top 5 Foamposites that came out in recent years out of the 7 or 8. I know that's not saying much, but it's not in most people's top 5 foams. The Foamposite black upper makes the red translucent sole pop out. Alright, well, let's get into it. Here you see the black Foamposite upper with the red clear translucent sole. Here's the little red swoosh on the nubuck. Laces are all black. There's a red stripe going down the middle of the tongue with a kind of gray tint-ish stitching. Here's the 1 cent logo in red. Here's the 4-stripe front pull tab. On the heel tab, it's also 4-striped red. On the back, embedded, it's a 1 cent logo. Here's your carbon fiber plate, like on every Foamposite. Clean up the soles a little bit. Alright, it has a red sole. I like that a lot because this sole will never, ever turn yellow like on most Foamposites that have an icy sole. This is a red, clear sole. Has a lot of the Foamposite 1s tend to get dirty a little more than the Foamposite Pros because they have all these little holes and ridges which tend to collect dirt. On the Foamposite 1, here's your cent logo again in red. Red clear sole. Get a look at that. Really very nice sole. On the inside of the shoe, Foamposite upper. Hopefully people will change their mind about the cough drops from seeing this video. And just give it a chance. It's a really nice shoe. It's one of the better Foamposites. It's a good colorway. Alright, I'll show you some views now. Shows like that. From the back. On this side. Insides. Here's from the front. I like this view a lot. Here's what it looks like when you're looking down and when you're walking on feet. This is definitely my favorite view. This is what makes this shoe. When you're looking down, this is what you see, and it's beautiful. Here, I'll show you like this. Hit of the carbon fiber plate right there. Alright, my next video, make sure to check my next video out because it'll be interesting. I'm going to have three shoes in one video. It's going to be a very interesting video, so make sure you check that out. You're going to want to see it. Check my other videos out. Thank you for watching. I appreciate any involvement in my channel. Subscribe, comment, just watch my videos. Check out all my videos. Thank you so much. It's MK from Baltimore, Maryland. Shout out to everyone in Maryland, D.C., Foam Nation.